In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use UK Immigration ID Check app. Firstly, go to UKVI.uk and start your visa application. When asked to confirm your identity, you will see a QR code on the webpage. If you are using a smartphone for the entire process, you don't need to scan a QR code. Firstly, open the UK Immigration ID Check app and select QR code when asked how to connect. Hold your phone's camera in front of the QR code on your application page and move closer until the app recognizes the QR code. If you can't see the QR code, select Connection Code in the app, and the app will display a connection code. Enter this code on the web page of your application. Take a clear photo of the photo page of your passport and make sure the entire page is inside the frame, including the 2 lines numbers at the bottom. Adjust the camera if needed until the app captures the details correctly. Take a clear photo of the back of your BRP card and make sure the entire card is inside the frame. After that, the app will ask you to take a photo of the front of the BRP card. Remove any phone cases or covers and select Check Now in the app. Place your phone on the top of your passport or BRP, then move your phone around until the app recognizes the document, like passports or BRPs. When the app recognizes the document, you will hear a beep or see success message. Just follow the on-screen instructions to complete the identity check, and once the app confirms your identity, continue with the rest of your visa application on the gov.uk website. Now you have successfully confirmed your identity using the UK Immigration ID Check app. Thank you for watching.